Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to set up an assignment in Google Forms. Assignments allow you to assign points to questions. They also automatically grade responses and provide feedback to respondents. To start, open your Google form and go to Settings. Toggle the Make This a Quiz option to On. Here you can customize the quiz settings. You can enable missed questions, correct answers, and point values. You can assign a point value for each question. For example, you might have 10 questions worth 10 points each. You can also adjust settings for responses. You can collect email addresses and require verification. Respondents will then be asked to sign in. You can send responders a copy of their responses using the drop-down menu. Select the options that best fit your needs. You also have several presentation settings available. You can show a progress bar and shuffle the question order. This prevents questions from appearing in sequence. You can also show a link to submit another response and set a confirmation message. You may customize the confirmation message to something like a thank you note. That's it. Google Forms will now automatically grade responses based on your answer key. You can review scores in the Responses tab or export data to Google Sheets. This allows for further analysis. Setting up assignments is ideal for teachers, trainers, and instant grading. It removes the need to manually check every response. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.